Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're diving into Reliant Immune Diagnostics, a company making waves in the healthcare diagnostics landscape. Let's explore their profile as outlined on Crunchbase. Reliant Immune Diagnostics is an organization dedicated to advancing the field of immune system analysis. They focus on developing and commercializing innovative diagnostic solutions that provide critical insights into the complexities of the immune response. These tools empower healthcare professionals to make more informed decisions, leading to improved patient outcomes and more personalized treatment strategies. Their cutting-edge technology platform aims to address unmet needs within immunology and diagnostics, enabling a deeper understanding of immune function and dysfunction. This understanding is paramount for diagnosing and managing various diseases, from autoimmune disorders and infections to cancer. By delivering precise and actionable data, Reliant Immune Diagnostics strives to revolutionize how we assess and monitor immune health. This commitment to innovation positions them at the forefront of a rapidly evolving industry. Their work has the potential to significantly impact the future of healthcare by providing clinicians with powerful new tools to fight disease. The specifics of their diagnostic methods and the precise diseases they target might vary, but the core principle remains: to provide better insights into the human immune system. Reliant Immune Diagnostics is committed to providing accessible and reliable immune diagnostics to a broad audience, furthering their mission of improved healthcare for all. The company's dedication to research and development ensures they stay at the cutting edge of immune diagnostics technology. Their ongoing work is likely to lead to further advancements in the field and potentially transform how we diagnose and treat a wide array of diseases. Keeping an eye on Reliant Immune Diagnostics will be crucial for anyone interested in the future of healthcare innovation. Their contribution to the diagnostics field holds considerable promise for advancing patient care and improving overall health outcomes. We encourage you to learn more about Reliant Immune Diagnostics by visiting their Crunchbase profile. There you can find more details on their team, funding, and the specifics of their groundbreaking work.